Before starting, make sure to place cardboard underneath the brackets to prevent damage to the brackets and the floor. Place all 4 brackets down, outlining the shape of your pergola, and lay out your lumber in preparation for the build. The first step is to create the U-shape. Insert the lumber fully into the bracket, apply 2 screws on the outside holes closest to the lumber. Then, insert and fasten the other 2 pieces in the same way. Next, create the I-shape, following the same steps as before. Take the I-shape and connect it with the U-shape. Ensure the lumber is inserted all the way and it is fastened with 2 screws on each side. Next are the corner brackets for your umbrella top. Place in the corner, fasten with screws, and apply caps. Next, insert a screw that we will call a guide pin into the bottom hole on the top of the bracket. This will be useful later. For opening up the umbrella top, lay it on the ground and extend 2 of its arms into the fabric corners. Extend the arms until you hear an audible click to ensure that it's locked in place. Lift up the umbrella top, open it, and secure the middle pin into the bottom hole. Then, extend and lock the other 2 arms into the fabric corners. Carefully place the umbrella top into the corner brackets. The guide pins placed in the corner brackets earlier will hold the umbrella top at the correct height until it can be fastened properly. Now, use the provided hardware to fasten the umbrella top using the top hole on the corner bracket. For the middle brackets, space according to your preference, attach the bracket temporarily, apply pressure from the top so the bracket makes contact with the lumber, and mark its position. Then, remove the middle bracket. Unfasten the corner brackets. And remove the umbrella top, setting it to the side. To install the side brackets, a number 3 Robertson screwdriver at least 6 inches in length is required. Locate the markings made earlier, place the side bracket on top, and fasten with 2 screws. Carefully place the umbrella top back onto the pergola, aligning it with all brackets. Then, fasten the umbrella top to all corner and side brackets with the provided hardware, removing all guide pins as well. For the leg posts, insert lumber into the Toja Grid solo brackets and secure with 2 screws on each side. Then, lift the pergola on one side and insert leg posts into the Toja Grid trio brackets, ensuring that they are seated properly and fastened with 2 screws. Lift the other side of the pergola, placing ladders underneath, supporting the structure from the ladders, and insert the remaining 2 leg posts into the trio brackets. Keep in mind that 6 people are recommended for lifting and installing the leg posts as shown. Next, fasten with screws and apply caps to all screws on the pergola. You have just completed installing your Toja Grid umbrella top.